Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yo gangs, welcome back to my channel where we dive into all things cool and exciting today. We're talking about something that's making webs, Tailwind CSS. Curious how this framework can make website styling super simple and efficient. Plus, I'm going to show you how to install Tailwind CSS using the CLI. Let's jump right in. But before that, I want to tell you about Tailwind CSS first. Tailwind CSS is a framework that allows you to add styles directly to HTML elements using small utility classes without writing custom CSS. Here are the main points. The first, utility first. Tailwind uses small classes like text center, baggy blue 500 or p4 for styling directly in HTML. And second, easily customizable. You can change color, size, and more through a configuration file, making your design unique. And number three, or the third, responsive. Tailwind supports responsive design. Just add classes like MD, text, XL, or LGP8 for different screen sizes. And number four, consistent. Using the same classes in multiple places keeps the styling consistent without rewriting CSS. And the last is efficient. Tailwind has a feature that removes unused classes, making the CSS file smaller and faster. For the example, like you can write div and then give a class, so you put pg blue 500, text white, p4 rounded, and then they say hello world. So the class above gives a blue background, white text padding, and rounded corners. Tailwind CSS is perfect for those who want quick and flexible design without dealing with a lot CSS code. So let's do the installation for the CLI. Okay guys, so if you're already in Tailwind CSS websites, you can click this one, get started, and after that for the installation we choose Tailwind CLI because this is more easier than play CDN. So first you can open your Visual Code, this one, and then you must make the folder first. Okay, and after that we can open your folder that you make before. So if the page already like this, we can open the terminal. If you use Windows, you can click Ctrl backtick. Okay, so after that just copy this one first, npm install the Tailwind CSS. Okay, after that just enter and wait for the result. So okay, if you already like this, there will be get this one, packet log.json and package.json. So we go to the second one, npx Tailwind CSS init. Okay, and there will be make the tailwind config.js. So after that in tailwind config.js we put this one, only this one. Okay, from here until this one. Okay, and then copy, put on the content, only this one, yeah, I mean. Okay, So after that, we can make folder here src, and then we make file input.css, input.css. Okay, and then put this one, copy to input.css like this. And after that, copy this terminal. Okay, so this src output css that will be make this one output css. So after that, you can start using Tailwind css in your HTML. So just we try. Okay, wait, index.html, and then we try. Okay, so we can try here like container h20 bg grade 300. So I will okay, we can go live. So there is this one, the square or container. So your Tailwind already can use by in HTML file. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.